Okay, everybody, hello and welcome. My name is PG Mac, and I'm going to be showing you in the next 60 days how to get more value from your digital marketing goals. I hope that you're getting a lot of value out of them. And remember to click the subscribe button below if you would like to get notified in your inbox each day whenever a new video gets released. Okay, so without further ado then, let's get started. Important. Day number 12. Oh, yes. You see the word in brackets? S blank, 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 S. The word is, of course, if you haven't had a chance to check out that video, please go back to day number 12, inspiring others. The word in brackets is, of course, sales, sales, sales. And everybody that I talk to hates selling. And of course, nobody likes to be sold to, but everybody likes to be inspired. You know, if a friend or a colleague come to me and they tell me about a fantastic movie, for example, one of the first videos that I put out on my Facebook and my YouTube channel was about something that really inspired me. And I wish I had these little figures here, but of course, my 6-year-old assistant has removed them to play with them. They're not toys, they're expensive figurines. So what I did was I went out and I made my first videos about the subject that I am most passionate about. That was Star Wars. That was Star Wars. And whenever I looked at the results afterwards, they said 37.5. And I was thinking to myself, 37.5 people have watched my video. And I'm trying to think, how can a 0.5 of a person watch a video? And I was thinking all sorts of strange things. And then my partner came along and she pointed out something to me. She said that there is a little letter K. I do wear glasses, full disclosure. And I couldn't see the K after the 37.5. And it was 37,500 people had turned up and had honored me with their presence to watching this really short video where I was talking about something that I am uber passionate about. And that is the George Lucas movie series, Star Wars, the original ones, episode 4, 5, and 6, for some reason put in the middle. But anyway, that's beside the point. But you see, this was all about inspiring others. And I meet people every single day, people just like you, who are incredibly passionate, who are incredibly knowledgeable, who display a huge degree of empathy and authority in their chosen field. And then I say to them, well, can you go out and sell that? And they go, no, I cannot sell. I'm not a salesperson. I am not a salesperson. I cannot sell. And then I say, okay, well, can you talk to me about your product? Talk to me about your product, the product or the service that you are most passionate about. Because remember, we offer our services to experienced and established coaches, teachers, trainers, tutors, mentors, those types of people, established people there that have gone beyond the 2-year mark. They are out of the realms of being a startup. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to ask them what gives them the biggest source of energy, what inspires them to get out of bed in the morning and to keep showing up consistently and constantly and confidently and competently like nobody else on this planet. And then whenever they start talking, and then I say to them, the question is, can you talk for 2.5 minutes? And some people will talk for maybe 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes, and they will think, oh, it was a minute. Maybe it wasn't long enough, was it? It wasn't 2.5 minutes. It was 7 minutes. It was 9 minutes. It was 13 minutes. It was sometimes even longer. And what they had done is they had just talked about their transcription services, their boxing coaching services, their CDL mentoring coaching services. They had talked about their leadership coaching services. They had talked about their executive coaching services so passionately. And then this is what I'm saying to them. This, what you have just done, is you have sold me your service. Sometimes I sit at the back of the room in these 6 meetings that I offer to all of my clients, and I'm sort of thinking, well, hold on a second, I would like to buy this. And then I have to stop myself from thinking, and I'm thinking, no, hold on. The person sitting across the table is my client, but the person sitting across the table, i.e. people like you watching this video, have inspired me to take action. And you see, this is what sales is. This is what sales is. So if I meet anybody out there who says to me, sorry, I'm not a salesperson, I cannot sell my product, I have to get somebody else to sell my product, I think that is balderdash. This is a word from the United Kingdom, balderdash. This is complete balderdash, or complete BS, if you want to put it into more Irish and North American terms. It's complete BS. I am very, very sorry for my language. But these people, you, the business owners watching this video, you are the people that have to inspire others, including your team, to reach out and to be as passionate, as in love with this product as you are, as in love with this product or with the service as you are. And this is what day number 12 is all about. So important, so important. And if I meet anybody, I would never, ever hire anybody into my team who could not inspire other people. If they were sort of to say to me, oh, Paul's got this 8-letter iCanDOur roadmap framework, and yes, it works, but these type of people are not interesting. I need high energy, high octane A players, people that are prepared to bring their A game to the table each and every single day of the week. And that is what day number 12 is about. Okay, so again, click on the link above there. I keep pointing my finger up there, but what you will see is you will see a little information card, and you can click on that and it will take you over to day number 12. Okay. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, 1 conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the 1 condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.